Okay, so let's go through this trigo question. I believe this is a bit tough. Okay, so we have this tan 65 plus tan 70 over tan 245 tan 70 minus 1, right? Okay, so first thing, if you can recognize tan 65 and tan 245, actually they mean the same thing. So if you don't believe, you can press calculator. Tan 65 will give you something like 2.144. Then you press tan 245, right? You should also get 2.144. So you just need to change this thing into tan 65 degree. Okay, so after you change this, I recognize that tan 65 plus tan 70 over tan 65 tan 70 minus 1 is a bit similar to your additional formula of your tan. So for example, let's do a very quick recap, right? So tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus TATB. So you can see it's roughly the same. The only difference is actually the sign. For this, right? For this 1 is positive, but this 1 is negative. Then for the TATB, this should be negative, but this is positive. So how do I do a bit of switching? I simply just put like this. So tan 65 degree plus tan 70 degree over, okay, you take out your negative 1, meaning you factorize the negative 1, right? Become minus, and you put a bracket. So I change a bit of the order. So for example, 1 minus TA TB, right? Okay, so now after I do this is exactly the same form. So this part, right? So okay, so this part will be like your TA plus TB over 1 minus TATB. So what is the A, what is the B? This will be your A. Then this will be your B. Alright, okay, so let's put the thing together. So okay, so tan A plus B. So A plus B is 65 degree plus 70 degree. But don't forget, I take out the negative, right? I must put back. So meaning I put minus here. Okay, so after that we get until this part, you simply just add up. So 65 plus 70, you'll get 135. So minus tangent 135 degree. Okay, so after you reach here, it's not done yet. So you must recognize that how do I get 135 based on a few of my special angle. So what do I mean by special angle? Special angle just means 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and not forgetting your 180 degree. Okay, so negative tan. So 135 is actually a combination of your okay, so it's a 180 minus away 45. So this will give you 135. So first, let's write down. So 180 minus 45 degree. So these are the two of your special angle. So next, let's continue on. Okay, so now we put here negative tan 180 minus 45 degree. Okay, so let's see what I will get based on the additional formula. So if I bring your focus on this thing, okay, sorry, I bring your focus on this part here. So let's put the negative sign aside first. So this part is actually TA minus TB, right? Okay, so TA is, okay, let's write here. So TA minus B is equal to TA minus TB over 1 plus so TA TB. Alright, okay, so let's write down. So the negative side I just put aside first. So tan 180, so this is your A, this is your B. So tan 180 minus tan 45 over 1 plus TA TB. Okay, so next, let's do a bit of calculation for tan 180. So if you press tan 180, right, you should get a result of 0. So this part is 0. Okay, what about tan 45? Okay, tan 45 actually is a very nice number. It's just 1. So you can see, okay, so now the whole thing, the numerator is 0 minus 1. Okay, what about the denominator? Okay, so this part is 1. This one no need to say. Okay, what about tan 180 times tan 45? We know that tan 180 is 0. 0 times anything is still 0. So this whole thing right here is 0. So this part is 0. So it's actually 1. So the denominator is 1. So it's 1, right? Okay, so next, you can see, don't forget about the negative sign right here. Alright? Okay, so is equal to negative. Okay, so like right now, so negative 1 divide 0 minus 1 is negative 1, right? Negative 1 divided by 1 will be positive 1. Yeah, so this is the final result that you will get.